Gotta jack up the car because I'm a fat ass. I can't fit under there. Gotta drill some holes to my rear bumper. And this happened. Fucking A. Call me the Undertaker. Oh my God! I'm shocked. It's just, it looks so damn good. I mean, I'm full feels now. What's up, y'all? So we're back doing my install on the diffuser. Gotta drill the sucker in. Kinda scared. Carbon, expensive, and I don't wanna wait another 6 months. You know how that goes. Okay, because I act like I can read Japanese. Yeah. Luckily, my boy Ben McKay sent me all translated to English. What a guy. So, okay, so on to the first page. I don't see how this was going to be starting. I gotta jack up the car because I'm a fat ass. I can't fit under there. I gotta drill some holes to my rear bumper. So jack it up. That's scary. Alright guys, so here's a little mock-up of it. I got 2 bolts in, one there, and then painter's tape. And I got to take off my wheel because I gotta drill it into the frame to mount the sucker in, because it is a functional diffuser. The disrespect to Chasing Jays. Sorry, I need new ones. Sponsor me. Alright, so here's the bracket. And it goes like this. And then I gotta drill into my frame right there. Where are you? Where's that? Fuel exhaust, if you guys are wondering. Yes, this is titanium. Fortune auto suspension, if y'all didn't know. Try to drill right here. And this happened. Fucking A.
Your butt's in my face.
Try this again. Hell no, this ain't gonna work, dude. Okay, I'm gonna make my own mount. The next part is to mount these brackets, focus, onto the bumper and onto the diffuser, and I did. If you can see here, I popped a hole right through the bumper, and the diffuser is pretty good, so I popped the bracket in, screwed it in, and it's going back there. And onto this other side. We're scared. Call me the Undertaker. Oh my God! Let's go. You might look cool. My socket. Yo, what the fuck, bro? People, these. How the fuck am I gonna do these? Turns out I have to take off this plastic piece right here, down there, because that's where the bottom piece bolts to, and that's what makes it functional. So I got this piece on. That's the tray, the plastic tray, we know the name for it. Now I'm gonna apply the moldings or just the trim pieces to make it look nicer. Already cleaned it with alcohol. There we go. Alright, what's up guys? So I got it done. It was a pain in the ass. I'm shocked. It looks so damn good. And I'm full feels now. Got the whole front, got the rear end. It just looks so good.
Was it tiring?
All you needed was a little elbow grease. Alright, let's go look at it. Alright, look at that. Would you look at that? Look at that. Damn, that looks good. Exhaust is poking out just enough. You can still see the Fields logo. All that good jazz. All that fucking pollen though.